Hi, my name is Diana. As a huge advocate for STEM, I often found myself to be singled out when it comes to what our favorite subjects are. Many of my peers have never really expressed any interest in STEM, and to some extent, some resentment towards it. That being said, I feel like a large opportunity of where we also miss out on a good quality education in STEM, particularly in the sciences, is with lab experiments. I used to dread going into a lab and performing any type of hands on activity. It didn't help either that many of my lab manuals and instructions look like this, just walls of text with little to no images. Thus, this inspired me to create an AR lab manual experience. My intent is to make this a more active approach to learning. First, a welcome menu introduces you to the lab experiment with a brief overview of what is being done on this lab, as well as some safety precautions. You cannot proceed until the checkbox is checked and it transitions you into the next screen, which is the lab setup and materials. Clicking on each 3D model of the equipment gives you a more detailed explanation of what the piece of equipment does and any tips or techniques that are involved in using this equipment. I find that familiarizing yourself with the equipment gives you a bigger sense of confidence going into the lab and a greater sense of responsibility for your own learning. Regardless if you're a student or not, we're all lifelong learners, and I hope to have sparked some interest in the STEM field to some extent. Thank you.